Ever wonder why your transformer gets hot even when it's not under load? That's hysteresis loss. And if you're designing magnetic cores, getting this number wrong means wasted energy, overheating, and failed components. Our Hysteresis Loss Interactive Calculator makes this instant. Just plug in your Steinmetz coefficient, your magnetic flux density, the frequency, and your core volume, and it spits out your hysteresis loss in watts immediately. Let's try it. Say you have a silicon steel core with a Steinmetz coefficient of 0.025, peak flux density of 1.2 Tesla, running at 60 Hz, with a core volume of 0.001 cubic meters. Hit calculate, and you've got your hysteresis loss in seconds. No manual formula crunching required. Whether you're an electrical engineering student or a seasoned designer, this tool saves you time and catches costly mistakes before they happen. Try the free calculator now. Link is right below.